Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by running targeted diagnostics so you fix the crash fast. You check Edge and Windows for pending updates because mismatched builds often cause renderer failures. Next, disable extensions and open an in private window to rule out add-ons. You want a clean profile. Then clear only Skyline-related site data and cache. This removes corrupt cookies or service worker state without wiping everything. Once done, restart Edge and try loading Skyline again to see if the crash persists. You continue by isolating profile or hardware issues. Make a new Edge profile and load Skyline. A successful load points to profile corruption, so export bookmarks and recreate the primary profile. If the crash remains, toggle hardware acceleration off then on, restarting Edge between changes because GPU drivers and acceleration often trigger hard crashes. Additionally, clear the GPU process cache via flags and update your graphics drivers. Do this methodically and make sure to test after each change. Finish by repairing or reinstalling Edge while preserving essential data. You export favorites and passwords, then uninstall and reinstall Edge to replace corrupted binaries. After reinstall, reproduce the crash once and capture event viewer entries and Edge crash logs. Those error codes guide the fix. If the problem persists, submit a bug with exact steps, logs, and system specs so developers can reproduce it. One troubleshooting tip: if crashes are intermittent, boot into safe mode with networking to test without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.